Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a phone case which has a very elegant and beautifully textured pattern. It's quick to make and measures about 17.5 centimeters high and 9.5 centimeters wide. You can find the return pattern in my blog and the link is provided in the description box. I'm using medium worsted weight or category 4 yarn. You'll need probably half a ball and a 4 crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and make 18 chains. Now make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch and then make single crochet in rest of the chains except the last. I've reached the end. Now work 3 single crochets in the last chain. Now on the other side of the chains, work 15 single crochets, 1 in each chain. Then 2 single crochets in the next chain. Then join with a slip stitch in the first stitch where you had placed the marker. Now let's start the next round. Make 1 chain and work a single crochet in the next stitch, not in the stitch where you joined but in the next one. Then make 2 chains. Skip the next 2 stitches and work a single crochet in the next stitch. 2 chains, skip 2 stitches and work a single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around. 2 chains, skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch. Join the last 2 chains with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. We'll start the third round. Make 1 chain and work a front post double crochet in the single crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert hook from front to back around the post and bring the hook to the front. Grab the yarn and pull it around the post and now complete your double crochet stitch. This is the front post double crochet, and then work 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. Front post double crochet in the next single crochet. Then 2 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. Repeat this around. You'll finish the round with 2 double crochets in the last chain 2 space. Join this with a slip stitch to the first front post double crochet stitch. Round 4, make 1 chain and work single crochet in the first stitch, which is the front post double crochet stitch, and then make 2 chains, skip the next 2 double crochets and work single crochet in the next front post double crochet stitch, then 2 chains, single crochet in the next front post double crochet stitch. Repeat this around. Join the last 2 chains with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Repeat rounds 3 and 4 8 more times. Height will be about 17.5 centimeters. Fasten off and weave in the ends. Sew a button at the front, and now we'll make a loop at the back. Join yarn right behind the button at the center and make a few chains. These chains must be long enough to go around the button. When you have made enough chains, slip stitch in the same stitch and cut the yarn off and then weave in the ends. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this tutorial, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.